back. So I wanted to do a quick hair tutorial because it's been forever since I've done one. I know it has because I even looked at my channel. I was like, it's been a minute since I did a hair tutorial. So I got this Infinity Pro Conair 2-in-1 stainless styler in the mail from Conair, and I wanted to try it out. I don't know if I've told you guys recently, I have gone back to most of my Conair products the past few months. I don't know, they've always just been my tried and true. I always kind of just gravitate towards using them, even over my like expensive products that I have. So I thought this was like perfect because I haven't done a hair tutorial in so long, and I wanted to try their new styler out. So I've never taken it out of the box. I'm just gonna take it out right now. I just wanted to show you guys how it comes. I don't know the price point, but I will post it underneath this video so that you guys can buy your own if you're interested. I absolutely love Conair products. I know you guys have seen like my blowout videos. I always use my Conair blow dryer. I just always go back to that, and I'm obsessed with my Conair straightener. I do have like more expensive ones, but personally I feel like it's just as good and might even work a little bit better. So when I didn't have money and I was an up-and-coming YouTuber and I couldn't afford $200-300 straighteners, this is what I was buying, and it literally like saved my life when it came to straightening my hair. As you guys know, I have naturally super curly 3C hair, so a good straightener is always a friend of mine. So I don't even know how to work this yet. I literally just got it, so this seems a little, let's see, how do you do this? I probably should go in the box and look at it. I don't want to break it. Oh wait, it's locked. So there's a little switch here and you unlock it. Oh, okay. Simple enough. Uh-oh. You guys know I love this 360 swivel cord technology. Not to be funny, but seriously, it makes it so much easier when curling your hair. It really keeps the cord from getting tangled. So that's a plus. And you can curl your hair or flat iron it. I really wanted to try this. I thought this was super interesting because I am someone who has to flat iron my hair before I curl it. I know that's weird. Only if my hair hasn't been flat ironed. So with weave, this is weave, I have noticed that if it's like a wavy weave, like this is wavy hair, I straightened it. If it's not already straight, the curl is usually a frizzier curl when I use a curling iron. But if I flat iron it first and then curl it, it just gives me a much better curl, in my opinion. I mean, I also notice when you don't flat iron it, it does hold the curl better, but at the same time, it's like a frizzy curl, and I like sleek curls. So when I want my hair to be like flat, I flat iron it first. And if I want body and I want it to be like big and poofy, I will leave it in its wavy state and curl it. There's some techniques that I have to working with weave, unless it's already like a straight weave. So if you guys ever want to see a video on that, please comment down below and I'll show you. So let me plug this in and stop rambling. Whoa, about to fall over. Hold on, you guys. Rocky. So let's see how quickly this gets hot. I'm gonna put it on 375, not the full 400. I am hot, you guys. These lights, man, they really make you hot. I guess so. When it gets hot, it'll just turn green because right now it's blinking orange, red, blinking red. So I'm gonna let this sit here. Okay, so it doesn't turn green, it just stops blinking once it's ready. So it's now ready. So let's see how this works. Let's take this like little scarf off. I was just laying my edges down. You guys know the edge struggle. Well, if you don't, now you do. First of all, let me flat iron my natural hair real quick. Okay, look at that. Super straight, love it. I just want to blend it real quick. Alright guys, so I'm going to start curling my hair. I like to start from the bottom, so I'm just going to separate my hair. It's been a while since I've curled it, so I mean, nothing's really changed. I'm going to be completely honest. I curl my hair the same way. We're just using a different tool today. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. see how this... Oh, okay. I see. So you basically can flat iron and curl your hair at the same time. So I'm gonna just do that. I actually, oh, I really like that you can do this. I actually really like that you can do that, you guys. Look at this curl. Okay. All right. Okay, Conair. Just turn it. There we go. Okay. Got a second curl. Like I said, you guys, I just want to do like loose curls. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I have the bottom curled. Let's move on to the top. It was definitely a struggle first figuring out how to use it, I'm not gonna lie, but now that I sort of have the hang of it, I feel like we'll be fine moving forward. So I'm not gonna sit here and talk throughout this whole video, you guys. I'm gonna speed it up a little so that you get the full gist of what we're doing here. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have nice, pretty, just loose, like holiday traditional waves. It does create more of a wave than like a serious curl. I probably have to learn how to use this a little bit better. It definitely was a little tricky for me because I'm just so used to a traditional wand and just wrapping my hair around a wand, but for the most part, I do actually really like the curl that it gave. There's one thing that I'll say, and it's an honest opinion. I think this would work a lot better on my actual natural hair. I have such a hard time curling my natural hair, and my natural hair is about shoulder length. It's a lot shorter. I feel like I could get a better curl out of it. When I use my actual flat iron to curl my hair, like my another brand, it doesn't really do it. But I feel like if I was to actually use this on my natural hair, that it would work a whole lot better. So here's what I'm gonna do. When I take out my hair, because I should be taking it out before Christmas, I'm not exactly sure, this isn't a promise. I don't plan on leaving it in that long, but when I take this weave out, I actually am really thinking about doing a tutorial with this on my natural hair, just because I want to see the difference. With weave, I feel like it's just a little bit harder. One, because his hair is like 26 inches, so I actually have to like stop and go and stop and go and stop and go. Flat iron curls are honestly, to me, with really long hair, a lot harder to do anyway, so I really like it. It's definitely something I will use again, but I probably will use it on my natural hair. So I wanted to just do a quick like first impression tutorial for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I will have a link to this 2-in-1 styler underneath this video if you guys want to purchase it. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Happy holidays. Hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas on my channel. I'm gonna try my best to keep the videos coming as frequently as possible. So thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Bye, guys.